in your home with limited mobility, struggling to perform simple tasks like turning on the lights or adjusting the thermostat. It does not have to be this way. In today's video, we are going to explore electrical upgrades that make homes more helping to create a comfortable, inclusive space for everyone. Voice controlled lighting system like those from Amazon Alexa or Google Home make life easier for individuals with disabilities. No more struggling to read switch. Just use your voice, turn lights on or off. It's convenient and incredibly empowering. Outlets allow you to manage appliances from anywhere in the house without needing to physically reach them. These outlets can be controlled via a smartphone or remote, providing a seamless solution for individuals with mobility issues. Consider lowering outlets, switches, and thermostat to a height accessible to wheelchair users. Simple modifications to your home's electrical layout can make a world of difference for those with mobility challenges. So, to feel at ease is their home. With these electrical upgrades, you can transform your